Hello students, today we are going to start new lesson is lesson number 11 more on Adobe Dreamweaver CS3. You all must have observed that the websites without any images or effects lack interest. Dreamweaver allows you to make websites look professional. The rollover images and image maps discussed in this chapter are used to make websites appear interesting and attractive. The most commonly used file formats for storing images supported by many browsers are graphics, interchange format, joint photographic, experts group and portable network graphic. First, we are going to see rollover images. A rollover image is an image in the browser that changes as the cursor moves across each rollover image. Effects is popularly used in many websites. There are primary and secondary images to create the effect of rollover images. A primary image appears when the web page is first loaded, whereas a secondary image appears when the cursor moves over the primary image. Both these images should be of the same size, and if not, then Dreamweaver resize the second one in accordance to the size of the first. Now, some steps we are going to first. Place the insertion point where the rollover image will appear in the document window, and then select Insert Image Objects Rollover Image. The Insert Rollover Image dialog box will appear. Enter the following information in the dialog box and click OK when done. Image. It is the name of the rollover image. Original image. It is the image that is displayed on loading the web page. Rollover image. It is the image that is displayed when the cursor rolls over the original image. Per load rollover image. It specifies whether images have to be preloaded in the browser's cache to avoid delay when the user rolls the pointer over the image. Alternate text. It is the text to describe the image for views using a web-only browser. When click Go to URL, it is the file that opens on clicking the rollover image. Now press F12 or click Preview Debug button and select the browser. Then move the pointer over the original image to see the rollover image.
Now we are going to see how to set the rollover image. First, we have to open Dreamweaver. From here, we have to select HTML and then that file. Title we have to give, and then after that we have to save and we have to give name. Then from insert image we have to select image object, and then in that rollover image will be there. There different types of images are there. We have to give name, and after that we have to browse. We can select any image and then OK. Browse. Here all names are coming like image name, original map, rollover image, and for alternate image type here name and then click OK. That image will insert in our document. This is rollover image.
Now we are going to see image maps. An image map is an image divided into regions called hotspots, which are actually hyperlinks on clicking a hotspot. We reach the destination of the hyperlink. A hotspot can be oval, circular, rectangular, or polygon in shape. These hotspots can also be edited by selecting, moving, or deleting them. Now we are going to see some steps. Select the image in the document window. Then type a unique map name in the property inspector in case you are using more than one image map in the same document. Then do one of the following define the image map areas. Select the circle or rectangle tool and drag the cursor over the image to create a circular or rectangular hotspot. Or select the polygon tool and click the corners to create an irregularly shaped hotspot. The hotspot property inspector will appear. The link text box specifies the file to open when the user clicks the link. Click the folder icon to browse and select the file. Then select one of the following for target. Means blank, it loads the link file in a new browser window which has no name. Parent, it loads the link file in the parent frame set or window. Self, it loads the link file in the same frame or window. Top, it loads the link file in a full browser window, therefore removing all frames. Type the alternative text in the ultra text box that will display in text only browsers. Then repeat steps 3 to 7 to define additional hotspots in the image map. Then after you have finished, click on a blank area in the document to change the property inspector. And then click preview or debug in browser or select file preview to view the page in a browser. Move the pointer over the keyboard image. The cursor will change when it moves over the hotspots. Click a hotspot to display the link web page.
Now we are going to see image map. Import the image by clicking insert button and then you insert image, the document, and then after that you can set the image. Image mapping tools doesn't work when you are in live mode in the document. Click on drop down button to change the window live mode to design mode. You can select proper shape of circle and here you can select rectangle. Again downside you select second rectangle and downside triangle. From property inspector select image and again you have to draw circle and upside you have to draw rectangle. You can resize circle and rectangle also. After that you can save your document. It will look like this.
Now, editing hotspots. The hotspots can be modified in a number of ways like moving a hotspot, deleting a hotspot, resizing a hotspot or changing a hotspot's hyperlinks. First, we are going to see moving a hotspots. Select the hotspot to be moved. Click and drag the hotspot to move it to a new location. Now, deleting a hotspot. Select the hotspot to be deleted. Click delete to delete the hotspot. Resizing a hotspot. Select the hotspot to be resized. Then click on sizing a handle and drag it until the hotspot is resized. Changing a hotspot's hyperlink. Select the hotspot that contains the hyperlink to be changed. Type the new link information in the hotspot properties pane and the new link will be updated. Now we are going to see adding link to Word and Excel documents to an existing web page. The various steps to add a link to a Microsoft Word for Excel document to an existing web page are listed below. First, open the page that will have the link to the Word or Excel document. Drag the Word or Excel file from as current location to anywhere on the Dreamweaver page, and then the insert document dialog box will appear, and then select create a link and click OK. Click preview or debug in browser or paste F12 and the page contains a link to the Word or Excel file that can be downloaded when you click to open the file. We have seen rollover images, image maps, adding link to Word and Excel documents to an existing web page. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.